Has this ever happened to you? You plug in your Christmas lights, some of them light up, some of them don't. I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot this and hopefully get these lights back and working again. So usually the first step I like to do is I like to take a look to see what all lights are burnt out. For this whole side over here on this car and the other side is all burnt out. So usually my first step, especially on these LED ones, is just going to go through here and tap each light bulb. And sometimes you will get lucky and be able to find a light that's causing the issue. So like, as you can see, this one here appears to be loose. One thing I've noticed with LED lights is sometimes one of the terminals, if it's exposed outside, gets corroded or even breaks off. So we'll pull this light out and see if this LED needs replacing, and if so, we'll go ahead and replace it.
Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Identifying them in this case was pretty easy because this was simply tapping on. I usually do that as a first step on even incandescent ones. Some of them I'll go through and I'll even twist, because twisting will affect them as well. I do have another tool that's it detects electrical current, and usually it'll pinpoint exactly in between which lights will actually, where the current stops. It only works with incandescent. That tool also has what's called a shocker that helps close the shunts and burn out bulbs by basically pulling out a light bulb that you know is good, snapping it a few times with the trigger, and it sends an electrical charge down through there that then gets the light, the shunt inside the light to close, and then the lights come back on and you can easily see which bulb burn out. In the case of this LED one, a lot of times it's easy just to tap one and figure out which one it is. So we're gonna open this up and see about how to get this light bulb out and replace it. The first thing we want to do is, I'm not sure how these light bulbs come out of this particular decoration. If they're just stuck in here or what. Looks like they might just pop out like that. So we got kind of lucky on that, but you can still see it. It's really touchy. So with a fingernail, and just get underneath the lip here, and I'll pull the light out. And looking at the LED here, it doesn't look like, well, I say that, but here's what I mean by sometimes the terminals break off. I'm turning this, but this one here just kind of free turns, which makes me believe that it's actually broken off. So as you can see, it actually looks like it overheated and broke the solder joint right here. So what we'll do is we'll just replace this bulb in its entirety. See if we can get this yeah, basically it appears that each LED here has a little resistor on it right here, and it just basically came unsoldered. So this particular decoration that I was given to fix actually comes with I'm going to have to take the bulbs apart and replace the LEDs. Some of them you have to swap out the LEDs and stuff like that. Those are a little more difficult. But this one comes completely self-enclosed, so it's going to be pretty simple. LEDs only go in one way. There's a long side and a short side, and that prevents them from going in the wrong way. So you just need to kind of look to see which way is which in there. And the long side will go in deeper, and the short side, and then just kind of stick it through. In case of this, I'm just going to shove it back through this little rubber thing here, and I'm going to shove this one through too, because it's kind of looks like it's mashed out a little bit. So just kind of push a few back through that look like they're coming out. But for the case of this is one of the easier things that I've ever fixed as far as Christmas lights. People that know me know that I go overboard on Christmas. This year that may not happen just because our kitchen remodel, but basically that's how you would fix our light bulb.